Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to walk you through a super useful trick to keep your streaming accounts a little more secure, especially if you have kids or roommates. We're talking about setting profile PINs on Disney Plus and Netflix. It's easier than you might think, and it can save you from accidental profile mix-ups or unwanted viewing history. Let's start with Disney Plus. To set a profile PIN on Disney Plus, you'll need to log into your account through a web browser, not the app. Once you're logged in, hover over your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen and select Edit Profiles. You'll then see all the profiles associated with your account. Click on the profile you want to add the PIN to. In the profile settings, you should see an option for Profile PIN. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter a 4-digit PIN. After you've chosen and entered your PIN, you'll need to save your changes. Now, whenever someone tries to access that profile, they'll need to enter the PIN you just created. Easy peasy. Now, let's move on to Netflix. The process is pretty similar. Again, you'll want to log into Netflix through a web browser. After logging in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Account. This will take you to your account settings. Scroll down to the Profile and Parental Controls section. Here, you'll see a list of all the profiles on your account. Click on the profile you want to protect with a PIN. Expand the options by clicking the little arrow next to the profile name, and you'll see an option called Profile Lock. Click Change next to Profile Lock. Netflix will likely ask you to re-enter your password to verify you're the account owner. Once you've done that, you can check the box that says Require a PIN to access Profile Name's profile. Then, enter your 4-digit PIN. Finally, click Save. From now on, anyone trying to access that specific Netflix profile will need that PIN. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added PINs to your Disney Plus and Netflix profiles. This is a great way to keep your viewing preferences separate and ensure that only authorized users can access specific profiles. It's a simple step that can make a big difference in managing your streaming experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.